we still have Dr. D.K. Gupta live with us on the broadcast. Doctor, now what kind of restrictions, what kind of curbs and guidelines do we need to follow, and what more should be imposed in the country at this point of time? Because of course, as mentioned by our reporters as well, some people are not have not been following the norms, have not been following the guidelines. So, what more stricter measures is a lockdown the solution? What do you think?
I think it is a $1 million question, and I would like to tell that there cannot be two laws on the same land. Like if we are looking, if we are looking, then we see that there are political rallies are going on across the India. Elections are coming up in different states, and our leaders, they are doing political rallies, and there is no social distancing. Nobody is wearing mask, and there somebody is wearing mask also. It will be right just below their nose. Means there is no effective implementation of COVID-appropriate behavior in any political rally. So how you can save our citizens like from these spreading events? They are super spreader events. One side you are implementing the Dhara 144. You are implementing night curfew. Even there is a less gathering in the nights. And you are implementing all this to curb the spread of to curb the chain of transmission for this virus. But still the after like there is a concern from the Allahabad High Court also regarding this rallies and the elections. Still there is no response from any responsible party. So there is I think a strong leadership is required, a strong political will is required from the top, so that every citizen should follow that, every citizen should follow their leaders, and COVID appropriate behavior has to be implemented from top, from our leadership, from our political leaders, from our dharma gurus, from our celebrities. If we all follow all these COVID appropriate behaviors, then we can ask our citizens to follow them. Second thing, government should be very strict when it is the start of this third wave, not when there is a peak of third wave. Normally we have seen that when there is a number of cases rising so much, then there will be strict implementation of these COVID behavior guidelines at ground level. But when there is no surge, the cases are less, there will not be any implementation. You can see in Delhi or in NCR, even tier 2 and tier 3 cities, even rural areas, nobody is following
Right,
COVID.
sir.
So I think the awareness, public awareness is required from the print media, electronic media, celebrities, our national leaders, and also there should be strict law implementation, strict law implement from the state government, and it has to be supported by the central government. Fourth, the political leaders should behave in COVID appropriate manner. They should do rallies in COVID appropriate. When we can do virtual talks, we can do virtual telecasts,
Right.
then how they can